What's up, y'all? My name Rue. What about you? If you're new to the channel, subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Right now, today, we at this park. I believe it's called Roswell Mills or Roswell Waterfall, something like that. I don't know. You said Mills? Roswell Mills. It's in Roswell, Georgia, of course, and it looked really nice out here. My bad, Mike. Oh yeah, we just gonna show y'all around and see what it look like and stuff like that. Y'all, I'm scared of bridges, and we finna walk across this bridge, okay? Look at this bridge. And I'm finna show y'all the pool of water is over. Oh, look at this, look. Over all of this water, bro. Look at this bridge. Oh no, oh no. Woo, I'm doing it though. Alright. Oh snap, I'm walking through it though. It look nice. This look real nice. I'm walking over it right now, y'all. Like, look at this thing. Walking over the bridge. Y'all, look at this in the background. We just walked across this bridge right here. We gotta walk up all these stairs, y'all. Look at the views and stuff. Huh? We gotta walk down this whole thing, y'all. Look at this house over here, though. Real nice. This is damn near like binoculars, like virtual binoculars. Look at this house over here. See that house right here? You see how I can see all of that? Look at this one though. See how I can see all of it? Yeah. Yeah, I just listen to the sounds of the water. And the water is even like flowing down through here. If y'all can see. Y'all can see a little bit of the waterfalls. And of course, y'all know I love vlogs. Just listen to the sounds of nature. Yeah, look at this. This view look amazing. Like, we finna go down here. We finna walk down here to see the lake, y'all. Oh, he. For real. She's just chilling by the lake. They finna fuck by the lake, y'all. Look at them. Y'all, listen to this. And you can even see the buildings up here. Hold on. I like zooming in on stuff just to see if I can see correctly or not. You even get more crisp when I zoom in. Like, if I want to see somebody outside doing something, I can just zoom in and see. This look nice though. The waterfalls, I don't know if y'all can hear it on camera, but it's real peaceful. And yeah, it's nice views, nice scenery. I like it. Nice green too. I just like the different shades of green and stuff like that. Real nice. Woo. Then we got this long trail to walk down. Even the small details like this right here, the tree, how it's knocked over, and then they cut it and not put that down right here, piece of log, and then cut the other part and put it right here. Like, I like that. Look at this house, y'all. Oh, I can zoom in up here. I want to look at them apartment.
You want to run for me?
Do I want to run?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just look at this. It look real nice. And I really just want to get me in the frame. Am I in the frame? I'm in the frame. It's verified that I'm in the frame. Like, oh my God. All right, back to serious business. On this trip by myself. It's just me and myself. And we just enjoying the waterfalls. Literally nobody came with me. Oh, I just like doing this type of stuff by myself. So, oh shoot, this look like some Yo, listen to this. This looks really cool. If I wanted to come swimming, just enjoy myself in the lake or something, I can just come over here. Hey, 7 p.m. Friday. I can go like chill over here or something. Right here, chill right here. I'm gonna go over here. This is a cool chill spot. Think about all the bugs and stuff though. I wonder how deep this water go. If I seen like an alligator or something pull up, I'm telling you, if I seen a crocodile or I thought this was a, y'all, I thought they, I thought it was an alligator, for real. I see an alligator or a crocodile, I'm running for my life. Yes, I am. I don't care, call me scary, whatever. I'm scared, yes. Y'all, I'm walking on the rocks. Like this look, oh, shit. Wow. No, we don't. Oh, I was thinking like we can walk across, but maybe we can't. I was really thinking we could walk across though. Y'all. I'm trying to go over there. What are you doing? Look at his wife. She's swinging her legs. She in love. Yo, look at this. And listen to it. The bridge right up top where we walked in the beginning. Look at this drone. We was just down there, y'all. Overall, I get this park a solid 10, even though we didn't see the waterfall, like what I originally seen online. But aside from that, I like it. You wanna know something though? If I got rich off of social media, I would still be dressing like this. I would still dress like you wouldn't even think I got money. Yeah, y'all, I love the park. Out of 10, I would give it a solid 10. I definitely would come back too, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and it was sprinkling too, like midway it started sprinkling. If y'all ever interested, if y'all want to come to this park, it's called Roswell. Purple tree right here. I like this. And how we go with the green. I love how the houses, like everything just like go together. Like it low-key look like Ireland or something. And I've never been to Ireland. Would I want to go? Yes. Have I ever been? No. I have never been. Never ever, 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 ever. And I guess we're finna get ready to go. We gotta climb up this steep hill. Look at this hill, y'all. It may not look as steep on camera, but look at this. Yeah, here go like a little backstory of this place. You can get you. I'm not gonna read it out loud. Y'all can skim through it. Y'all listen to the waterfall.